Hello there and welcome to the channel. When it's come to creativity, kids are the most creative human being ever. I'm an educator and I work with kids. A kid drew this picture and today I'm gonna recreate this picture into art. So let's go into it. Let's start with the character concept. Every character concept starts with a good idea. It doesn't matter if you can draw very well, in my opinion, but it's highly important to decide it and to imagination which material, personality, pose, feeling, etc. do you want to give your character. Many people think they're supposed to draw very well to get a good character concept. Guys, please don't forget 3D it's completely different than 2D. As a 3D artist, you need to get a good idea about what you want to create. To me, it's very important in the character concept to sketch an idea about the character. Having an idea to follow in the workflow, it's very important because when you got an idea, you have something to follow. But if you don't, you're gonna lose your motivation because you're gonna think too much about the character, like which hair, how long, how thick should the character be, etc. I asked you guys on the channel, what's your biggest challenge in Blender? Modeling seems to be a problem because many of you guys are beginners and many of you don't have an idea to follow. Alright, let's take us into the next question, like how to be creative. The first common problem that you are worried too much about your project. You might be thinking, oh, I just have a bad idea. I don't need that. But believe me, try to develop that idea and to work on it. Just start off and stop thinking about your art. Sometimes we need to change our location. Just grab your book and your pencil and go out. Write down an idea and try to sketch it. Then go back home and try to be creative. And finally, you need to be patient and motivated to get what you are looking for. Motivation is another problem that you might face in the 3D world. So how you can stay motivated? First of all, don't compare yourself with other artists. Guys, it's a big mistake to compare yourself with other artists like artists on ArtStation. Please don't forget you compare yourself with the best artists in the world. And you and me are just beginners. To be creative and motivated, you need to watch what other people create. The social support like following artists on Instagram, ArtStation and so on, it's very important to keep you motivated. Because when you are following these artists, you get an idea, you try to find your art style, but you don't compare yourself with them, and this is important. Another good reason to keep you motivated to start with a small project and to try to finish it. Because if you have small goals, you can achieve them very well and quickly, and that's give you the motivation to move on and to develop your art. But watch out, don't press your creativity with time and stress. What I mean about that, take your time to finish your project and give yourself a deadline, but don't be hard on yourself. And finally, you need to share your art with other people. Maybe you are laughing right now because you know that, but you don't have a community. Guys, you can use my YouTube channel to share your art with other people. Let me explain that. I started this YouTube channel, I never thought that I will get 100 subscribers, but today we are over 30,000 members. And of course guys, without your support, I never ever would have gotten here. That's why I want to use this YouTube channel to help you out to share your art with other people. You can send me your final render on Instagram with your name. Guys, don't be shy and please send me your final render. It doesn't matter if your final render is the donut or a rock or a character. You can send me your final render as I said. So I'm really excited about that and I'm gonna catch you later.